I'm happy to come your way. A quick video on video encoder H.264 encoder precisely. Once you download your software, normal installation, you double click. I want to believe we are familiar with the installation. So once you double click, you follow the instruction next to finish. Then after that, you launch your H.264. The most important key here is that make sure it's on normal quality. It will give you same size when you use this normal quality to encode whatever you want to encode. From the video source, you locate your video. From the video source, locate your video. Let me try if I can see any video. Okay, from the videos, all you need to do is just locate your video, then click on encode to encode your video from big size to small size. And if you are having issue like error, the output file could not be the same with the source file, all you need to do is change your location. You change your output file location, you browse it, then you choose some, you can say desktop, then you encode. It will encode journey. Let me just put KKK, save. Then when you click on the code, everything will blank. Then the encode will begin to process. I want to believe this video is of help. Thank you. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel